Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to recover Facebook password without email and phone number. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to go to Safari. Once when you're here, you have to click on Facebook chat support. And once when the site is loaded, you have to wait for the site to load first. Yeah, so now you have to click here on these three dots right here. And then you have to click on managing your account, login and password. And here you have to click on fixing a login problem. There are a lot of options given to you, and you have to click on this one, recover your Facebook account if you can't access your account, email address, or phone number. And here you can see you have two options. Either you can learn to reset your password, or you can go here on this link, facebook.com/hacked. And here you have to click on my account is compromised. Now, Facebook will ask you of the email that you used for this specific Facebook account that was hacked. So let me write the email right here. So now Facebook has asked that is this our account by showing us the profile picture, and we're going to click here on recover. So now you have either two options. First, Facebook will tell you that you have to log into another device because there is actually not any malicious or shady activity on my profile, because my profile was not hacked. Actually, it happens mostly when your profile is hacked or when somebody has tried to change the password of your account. But Facebook has sensed that there's nothing wrong like that with my profile. My profile is pretty stable, the passwords have not been changed, so Facebook has given me this option. But whenever your account will be compromised, Facebook will actually give you a link to reset your password, and thus you'll be able to reset your password by clicking that link. As of me, my account is pretty stable, no outside attack, no password change, anything like that. So Facebook sensed it. And Facebook said that you can log into another device if it's not working properly, or if you can't, then Facebook can't do anything. But don't worry, whenever your account will be hacked or compromised, Facebook right here will give you a hyperlink, and if you click that hyperlink, your password will be resetted, and Facebook will ask for the new password and the confirmation. So that was it. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.